Let's get that momentum going. Oh, hey there. My name's Kurt Waston. This is my podcast, Section 2 of FOP. I'm going to demonstrate Galileo's concept of inertia and how it relates to Newton's first law. I could stand here and talk into my laptop, but let's face it, that's boring. And I'm not a boring dude, so let's take it to the skate park.
When I drop in on a half pipe, I'm going to keep moving at that speed until I reach another incline, in which case gravity will affect my momentum. If I alter my angle, I can stall on the coping or perform various slides or grinds.
I know what you're thinking. What is he talking about? Isn't this project on inertia? Why does he keep referring to momentum? Inertia is defined as the property of matter by which it retains its state of rest or its velocity along a straight line so long as it is not acted upon by an external force. Momentum is inertia in motion, or more specifically, the mass of an object multiplied by its velocity.
Notice as this little guy continues to slide across the vert ramp after gaining momentum from his failed backside air attempt.
That was fun, and although it was a good example of inertia in action, I want to implement some controls and perform a real experiment.
So I set up car 55 and sent the figure for a ride. I repeated this 5 times. The setup was basically one book with a 1-inch thick binding, 2 rulers, one as a runway and the other for measurement, a pen and a piece of paper for a landing pad, and then I recorded the distance the figure traveled on impact. By adding another book, we increased the downward slope, therefore increasing the speed of the car. So when the car crashes into the pen, the object continues to move at the speed they were both going on impact. I recorded all my times and got an average with one book of about 1.5 inches distance, and then with 2 books I got about 5.8 inches. That's more than twice the distance with only 1 inch of difference in the incline.
Okay, so in conclusion, the car and the clay figure both have inertia, a resistance to the change in motion. Once started, both continue to move until an outside force acts against them, causing them to stop. The pen stopped the car's motion, and the air molecules slowed the clay figure's forward motion as gravity pulled the clay figure down. Alright, that's it for my podcast. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.
Slow down with the same speed. Slow down with the same speed. Slow down and in the same direction.